Can you multiply 23 by 11 without a calculator? In just 3 seconds? Let's start simple. Take the number 23. Now we're multiplying it by 11. Ready? The first digit of the answer is always the first digit of the number. That's 2. The last digit of the answer is always the last digit of the number. That's 3. But wait, what about the middle number? That's the magic. Add the first and last digits together, which is 2 plus 3 equals 5. Drop it right in between. And boom, 23 times 11 equals 253. Done in seconds. Not impressed yet? Let's level this up. Let's try a big one. Let's go for 472 times 11. Watch closely, because this is where the trick gets spicy. First digit is 4 as before. Last digit is 2. Easy so far. Now, let's find the middle digits. Step 1. Add the last couple of digits together, which is 2 plus 7 equals 9. Place it right there. Step 2. Add first couple of digits together. That's 7 plus 4 equals 11. Now wait, we can't just write 11 in the middle like before, because it's 2 digits. So here's the trick. We keep the ones digit, otherwise right-hand side digit in the middle, and carry the tens digit, which is left side digit, to the left. Step 3. Now add that carried 1 to the left number. Now add it. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And there we go. Final answer, 5,192. And that's how you multiply any number by 11.